Alright, in this video I'm going to talk about how to handle sine of 4x, how we can manipulate this. Now we do not have a formula for sine of 4x, maybe we could say that this is the quadruple angle for sine, but what we do know is that sine of 4x, we can rewrite that as sine of 2x plus 2x, and at this point we know that this is the same as the sum formula for sine, or we can use the sum formula for sine. That is sine of the first times cosine of the second, keep the sign the same, so plus sine of the second, cosine of the first. And what we see is both of these are the exact same, so I have two of those, so 2 sine 2x cosine 2x. And then from there, sine of 2x, well that's the double angle for sine, cosine of 2x, that's the double angle for cosine. And so from there we can expand each of those. So we could say 2 sine of 2x, well that's 2 sine x cosine x. And then cosine of 2x, there's three different options there. And those are the three options. So we could just pick one of those. Cosine squared x minus sine squared x, and then from there we could multiply out and simplify. So this is one way we could handle this sine of 4x. It's basically just expanding using the sum formula for sine. A second way, instead of using the sum formula, well, I'm going to still rewrite sine of 4x as sine of 2x plus 2x. Now I'm going to make a substitution. I'm going to let 2x be equal to theta, in which case this is going to be sine of theta plus theta, which is sine of 2 theta. Now this looks, this is the double angle formula for sine, and the double angle formula for sine is 2 times sine theta cosine theta. And then at this point, I have theta, which I let that be equal to 2x. So we could say here is that this is equal to 2 sine of 2x cosine of 2x. And then again, from there we have two double angles. And this is the exact same thing that we found in the previous slide. So there's kind of two ways we can handle this. One, we can make a substitution. One, we can use the sum formula for sine. Things would be dealt with in a similar way if we had cosine of 4x or tangent of 4x. We would start each of these by saying, well, this is cosine of 2x plus 2x, or this is tangent of 2x plus 2x. And then from there we can follow either of the paths that we followed with sine.